Ano na, uy?
No.
Ada.
Say hi first.
Hi. Okay. So maybe 10.
You have to meet six. You have to beat six. Where do you stay?
Now zoom in.
Teka muna, uy.
No.
Practice only. So this is it. The finals.
Okay. One. Much better, much better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Whoa! Make it 9. Oh, 5 only. Eight. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Only 6.
Like me. 3, 4, 5.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So yan mga kabuyutang, let's go to the other game. Panoorin natin mga paps.
Ready? Toes. Head. Toes. Shoulder. And cup. Shoulders. Head. Toes. Knees. Cup.
3, 2, 1, start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
24 plus 11.
24 plus 11.
A
few inches later. So yan mga paps, after the fun games, let's time to eat. It's almost 1 p.m. and okay, kain tayo. Thank you very much for watching mga paps, and I love you all. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holiday, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Put.